Hi beautiful people, it's me Rachel again in Dubai. So for today's vlog, I received one question from my follower asking kung may marerecommend daw ba akong agencies from Pilipinas na nagpapaalis ng assistant teacher or teacher. So guys, just a short story. So pagpunta ko dito sa UAE, ginawa ko ng sister ko through visit visa and bali ini-sponsor niya ako. And then I directly apply from the schools. And my first school is from Sharjah. So I work there as a kindergarten teacher. And also, one of the followers asking me, may marirecommend daw ba akong agencies na nagpapaalis as assistant teacher sa Pilipinas? Well, way back, nung nagpumunta dito yung ate ko, assistant teacher yung naging first job niya dito sa UAE. And I can recommend 9K International Agency. So, I will be posting the link kung ano yung Facebook page nila so that you can also apply. And with that, yun yung naging stepping stone ng sister ko para maging homeroom teacher dito and para makuha niya din ako. And nakuha niya nga din ako. So, I will be posting legit agencies kasi ito din yung mga recommended ng mga tao. Nakikita ko dun sa Facebook page ng sister ko, yung mga nag-comment din, they said na ito daw yung mga legit agencies na nagpapaalis as teacher and assistant teacher sa Pilipinas. So, I'm gonna just posted it, beautiful people, and then just try to send your CV. Malay mo naman, tawagan ka agad and makapunta ka dito sa UAE. And that's for today's video. Bye-bye!